literal idea what design I'm really trying to do, it's gonna be us going based upon vibes for real. Because I feel like every time I try to do something from a picture and the second I see it don't start to come out right, I'm getting irritated, I'm getting agitated, I'm mad, I'm ready to throw up and give up and call it quits. So to avoid that, to hopefully avoid that, we're just going to do something different. So I'm placing my, oh, it's not thin enough, hold on. I'm going to put some cuticle oil on my glove. We're going to roll out a 3D worm. I think that thickness is good. There's some cuticle oil on this finger, and we're just going to
when I'm taking this 3D sculpting gel, the cuticle oil helps prevent it sticking to like your glove or your finger, and wiping underneath the nail makes it really smooth and seamless. Doing that before you cure, that way you don't have to take the file and try to debulk it. You've already wiped off the excess of the builder gel, and then you're just gonna go ahead and cure this.
Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up.
What I like to do and what I've learned is putting globs of whatever polish you want to put over top of this really helps get that smooth, seamless look. And that is just from getting globs of it. French tip, sidewall to sidewall. I've been learning to make my line pointing towards my center first and then just attaching the curves to the line makes it a lot easier when you're doing your stiletto. You can tell that I have a lot of red gel on my liner brush just because I find that it makes it a lot easier filling in that tip so that you're not adding product to that to make it all thick and bulky. Using the tip of the liner brush to make your arches and then just fill them in to connect them. And then doing the same exact thing to the other side, just bringing that line all the way down using the tip of your brush because you want to keep that line close to the cuticle thin, and then using the belly of my brush to connect the arches to the center.
Jury in the safe on arrival, pistol on J for survival. A lot of people gunning for the title, a lot of people trying to take us viral. I'm just trying to have a nice night. The waiter brought a check for the meal. She said, babe, I think there was a typo.
Look at that. That is looking so much better. When you do your top coat, put globs of it because you need to get all the nooks and crannies. And I like for it to look smooth. So globbing it up on there really makes that effect stick. I'm playing with charms now. I thought I was going to do some gold ones, but I don't end up doing them because I just don't feel like they match. I end up going with all red charms. All of my charms, I'm a lie. Not all of my charms, but these charms in these cases are all from Shein. Shein. Which one is it? Sheen? Shein. Because it's spelled Shein, and that's Sheen. Shein. Anyway, they're all from She. You know, the place I'm talking about. And they're all dirt cheap. But I do my research because all charms don't look high quality, so you definitely have to do your research. I have gotten bamboozled before. I have, not even gonna hold you. So yeah, just picking up my charms, seeing which ones I want, putting them in there. For this design, personally, I don't like big bulky charms at the tip because I'm cooking, I'm picking my nose. You know, I have kids. I don't want super big bulky charms, so I'm keeping them relatively small.
I have these red bows that I've been really dying to try. And I feel like that on the pinky Right in the middle. These are really flat, so I'm actually going to do like a connective piece of glue just because it's so flat. And then I'm going to place it right in the middle. And I think just to like complement some red on the pinky, I think I might try to do like a swirl, or should I leave it? I might leave it. Okay, so let's do a second little 3D worm for the thumb.
I can show you bigger things than that. It's gonna be a minute till I'm back. Let me get your images that last. Amex had a limit in the past. I had plenty women in the past. I done plenty sinning in the past. You don't need to know, but you can ask. Sticking on your backstage pass. All access, cause you bad. You could go wherever with that ass. Show to the shower, to the truck to the club for the party. You go in first with your girls, cause I don't know who's out there watching. But I do know one thing, yo. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday, Sunday, yo.
Then all I'm gonna do is slap some more red on the in-between. And then also paint the outside worm.
Show tonight.